Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve some example problems based on trigonometric ratios. So before starting this class, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe right now and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any new videos, and also do share it out with your friends. Fifth question. In triangle OPQ, right angled at P, OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. So let's solve this problem. Solution. Let us draw the right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle OPQ. Right angled at angle P. So this is angle Q. The angle opposite to the Q is OP. So this is known as opposite side. And the longest side of the right angle triangle is known as hypotenuse. And this is adjacent side. Okay. Given data is given OP is equal to 7 centimeter. That is OP is equal to 7 centimeter. And another data is OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. For our convenience, we can rewrite this as OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. This is equation 1. Now let us apply the Pythagoras theorem to this triangle OPQ. By Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square, that is OQ square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides of the right angle triangle, that is PQ square plus OP square. PQ square plus OP square. Now we know that the value of OQ is 1 plus PQ. So let us substitute the value of OQ as 1 plus PQ. So 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to PQ square plus the value of OP is 7 centimeter. That is 7 square. This is of the form of A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to PQ square plus the value of 7 square is 49. Okay. Here this PQ square and this PQ square get cancelled, and the remaining terms are 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into PQ is 2PQ is equal to 49. Next, 2PQ is equal to When we shift this plus 1 to the right hand side, it will become minus 1. So 49 minus 1, that is 2pq is equal to 49 minus 1 is 48. That is pq is equal to 48 divided by 2. When we divide 48 by 2, we get 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. That is PQ is 24 centimeter. That is adjacent side is 24 centimeter. Now we have to find out the value of OQ. So now we have to substitute the value of PQ in equation 1. OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. 1 plus PQ. Therefore, OQ is equal to 1 plus the value of PQ is 24. 24. It is OQ is equal to 24 plus 1 is 25 centimeter. That is OQ is 25 centimeter. That is hypotenuse value is 25 centimeter. Now we have to find out the value of sin q and cos q. We all know that the definition of sin q is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. That is 25. That is the value of sin q is 7 by 25 and cos q is equal to, the definition of cos q is adjacent by hypotenuse. The adjacent value is 24. Hypotenuse value is 25. That is 24 by 25. This is the answer.